In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tabs to the Shopify product descriptions, which is a fantastic way to enhance the organization and presentation of your product details. To get started, navigate to the left panel on your Shopify dashboard. Here, you want to look for the option that says Add Section. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This will allow you to add a new element to your product page, and in this case, we're looking to add tabs. Next, you'll need to type in tabs in the search bar. Depending on the template you're currently using, there might be several options available. However, if you don't see any options for tabs, don't worry. This is a normal occurrence given the variety of templates available on Shopify. If that's the case, you have the option to select Generate, which will utilize Shopify's AI capabilities to create tabs for you. Keep in mind that this might take a bit of time as AI processes can often load for a while. So don't rush it, grab a cup of coffee, or take this time to review other areas of your shop while it's loading. Once the AI has finished generating the tabs, you'll find them readily available to be selected. Click on it, and there you have your tabs ready to be customized. On the right panel, you'll see all the settings you can adjust to tailor these tabs to fit your brand. This panel is your customization hub, and it's where the magic truly happens. You have the ability to change the labels of these tabs, which means you can name them to suit the different sections of information you want to present to your customers. You might have one for detailed descriptions, another for customer reviews, or one for shipping information. The possibilities are endless. Moreover, you can tweak the sizes of these tabs, ensuring they fit seamlessly with the rest of your product page layout. Adjusting the spacing is equally important as it contributes to the overall readability and balance of the page. You'll also find options to alter the colors, which is a great opportunity to align these tabs with your brand's aesthetic. Whether you prefer a minimalist black and white scheme or something more vibrant and eye-catching, make sure the design is consistent with your brand identity for a more professional look. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've effectively added a neat feature that can greatly improve the way your product information is delivered to your customers without overwhelming them with information. Take the time to preview your changes and ensure everything looks perfect before going live. Thanks for following along in this tutorial, and happy selling on Shopify.